So one of the questions that people ask is when they're walking around the ship, they usually see a desk called the Future Cruise Desk. And people wonder if it's a good idea to go to the Future Cruise Desk. So when you go to the Future Cruise Desk, you'll see a form that looks something like this. And when you see it, grab one of these and take it back to your room. So the Future Cruise Desk basically has a great opportunity for you to save a little bit of money on future cruises. So the way it works is you make a future cruise deposit. So you can put down like $100 or $200 for a cruise. So for my example, let's say that I'm putting down $100 and that $100 will be used for a future cruise. So I don't know what cruise I want to go on, so I'm just going to put $100 on my account, and at a later time when I want to book that cruise, I can use that future cruise deposit to make my deposit for that future cruise. So there's an incentive for booking a future cruise deposit. So on this one here, if I put $100 down, that will go toward the payment of the cruise, the $100. But then on the back side, I get $25 or $50, whatever the cruise line is offering at the time, for onboard spending. So I basically, the way it works is I put down $100 and my return is $150. So $50 for onboard spending plus $100 for the price of my cruise. So that is a little bit about the Future Cruise form. Another good reason to stop at the Future Cruise Desk is because if you're ready to book a cruise, being on the cruise is a great place to book your future cruise. So in this case, I took my form, this form here, sat down with the Future Cruise Desk, and I said, hey, I'm ready to book a cruise. And they said, okay. So we talked about the cruise I wanted to do. I put my $100 deposit down, and then I got the little promotional onboard credit of $50. And then I'm getting the current promotions that the cruise line is offering. So right now they're giving $150 onboard credit to anybody that books a cruise between now and October 31st. So basically I'm getting $150 onboard credit for the promotion, $50 for my onboard credit for the future cruise deposit, so $200 total. And then I'm only paying $100 for my deposit. So the Future Cruise Desk is a great place to stop. I highly recommend that when you're ready to book your cruise, when you're on a cruise, that you go by the Future Cruise Desk and talk to the people about either adding the deposit or booking your next cruise. Hope that helps.